Hello guys, now let's talk about the queue. So I will give you a small example to understand about this queue. During the election process, so we will follow the queue order to vote the candidate, right? In the process of voting the candidate, whoever enters the first into the room, they have to come out from the room, right? So that means whoever enters first in, they have to come out first. That means the queue will follow first in, first out order. You might have a question that can we add null values and the duplicate values into a queue? So I will tell you with the same example. What I am saying is, let's say there are no people to vote it. That means null. So will queue will move forward? No, right? That means queue won't allow the null values. And one more thing I will tell you from the same example. So in the old approach of voting, what the people can do is they can vote the first time and they can also come and vote the second time, right? So that means queue will allow the duplicate values. So remember this example to understand the queue better. Okay, that's it. So queue is an interface. So there should be a class which implements the interface, right? That is the priority queue. Priority queue is a class which implements the queue interface. But priority queue act differently than the queue process. So what the priority queue will do is it will sort the elements to a ascending order. That means priority queue follows the natural order or ascending order based on the priority. So here the priority of priority queue is following the natural order. Okay. Now let's implement the priority queue. So I'm taking the queue interface. Okay. Now let's give the integer. I'm giving as number equal to new priority queue. Priority queue. Okay. Now let's add some numbers inside it. Numbers dot. We have to use the offer method to add elements inside a queue. Offer just 10. Numbers dot offer 3. Numbers dot offer 2. Okay. Now what the priority queue will do is it will sort out internally. That means it will become 2, 3, 10. So let's use the peek method. So it should print 2, right? Let's print it once. Intln numbers dot peek. Now it will return the 2. Just you can see 2 was printed. Now I want to remove an element from a queue. So what I will do? Numbers dot. You have to use the poll method to remove an element. Poll. Now let's print it. You will get 3 now. Okay. Now you can see 3 I have got it. Now what I will do is, if you want to take a size of the queue, right, you can just use the size method. Simple. Just I'm copy pasting. And you can use dot size. So this will return the size of the queue. So you can see the size of the queue is 2. Now let's discuss whether it will accept the duplicates or not. Yes, duplicates will be accepted, right? Numbers dot offer. Sorry, numbers dot offer. I am adding one more 2 here and run it. Yes, it is accepting, right? It is running. Now what I will do, I will add the null value to a queue. Offer null. Okay. It should throw an exception, right? So you can see it is throwing a null pointer exception. That means queue won't accept the null values. Simply remember that wherever we are sorting the values, right, there should not be the null values. Okay. That's it, guys.